Hello everyone, in this lecture we will learn about one more data type, that is dictionary. It is like hash map in Java, which is a key value pair. In our previous lecture we have already learnt about list and tuples. This is also similar, but a dictionary we will put in a flower bracket and it will have key value pair. One is key and the other corresponding pair is value. Values in a dictionary can be of any data type and can be duplicated, whereas keys cannot be duplicated and cannot be changed. Let's see with an example so you will understand it clearly. First, let's go to our PyCharm. First, let me create a new file, new and then Python file. We'll name it as learn dictionary. First, what we will do, we will create one dictionary. Okay, let's say students, we will create students dictionary. So to create a student dictionary, you will have multiple student details, right? Let's say student name is Rakesh and his second name is Kumar. Okay, similarly you can have multiple names, right? Let's say Alex and maybe the second name is something they, or maybe I'll just put Arun in a double quote because these are string, right? Arun, and let me last name, let me give it as Singh. Okay, so basically this is a list with multiple students. Okay, and what we will do, we will print students. Okay, let me run it. See, it gives you the details, right? Rakesh, Kumar, Alex, they and Arun Singh. Okay, one more thing I told you, right? The values in dictionary can be of any data type. So here we have given everything as string. Okay, so let me create another dictionary. Let's say stud is equal to, I'll just give, let me give the same name Rakesh Kumar, and what I'll do, I'll give also registration number. Let's say registration number, and this registration number value is a integer, right? Let's say 1 2 3, anything. All right, similarly I will put this 18, this as age. So this is okay. So this one also you can give any data type, that is also fine. Okay, now let's print this. Print stud. See, you see Rakesh Kumar, registration number is 123, 18 is age. Okay, so we can also add different types of data. We can have a key of type string or integer. It is up to us as per our need. The important thing is values in a dictionary can be of any data type and can be duplicated. Okay, so here you see, let's say registration number 123, I can give something else also 123, or here let's say, right, Rakesh Kumar, and here I can also say Kumar also here. There is no problem, the value can be duplicated, but you cannot have duplicate key. So this is your key, right? This is your key, this is your value. Let me put one more Arun Kumar and let's see what happens. Right, see here, first of all, if you'll see here, right, if you'll mouse over here, you see dictionary contains duplicate keys Arun. Okay, and if you will run it, see, you still see only one, you don't see two values here. Okay, so basically key cannot be duplicated. Okay, so important thing to remember, values in a dictionary can be of any data type and can be duplicated, whereas keys cannot be repeated and must be of immutable. Immutable means cannot be changed. Okay, keys cannot be changed. Now let's see how we can access the value of a dictionary. Okay, so here we have a dictionary, right? So how we can access the first value? So for that, what you can do, you can just print, okay, and you can say stud of what? You can say Rakesh, okay. Similarly, if you want to print this 18, right, what you will do? You can say print stud of 18. Okay, let's execute. See what you see here. First, it gives for this key what is the value. This key, this is the value. For this key, what is the value? Value is age. Okay, so using the key, you can access the value. One more thing also, if you notice here, Rakesh was string. So it is a string, right? That's why we give it as a string. But this 18 is an integer. So here we give it as integer plain, right? So that is more important. So you have to give the exact one, what it is, right? Now let's see how we can change dictionary items. So remember, Python dictionaries are mutable or changeable. We can change the value of a dictionary element by referring to its key. Okay, so if we want to change this registration number, okay, earlier it was 123, we want to change it to, let's say, something else. How we will do it? So for that, what you can do, you can write stud, then this registration number, then assign the value, let's say 555, okay, and then you print it. So you can print this. Okay, let me just comment out these things. Also, I will comment this. Let me execute. See, this is the first print, right? So earlier it was registration number was 123, and now registration number is 555. Okay, basically using this we updated the value of registration number. Okay, now let's see how we can remove dictionary items. Okay, let me comment out this. I'll write delete, then student of what? Let's say registration number will delete, right? Registration is the key, registration number. Okay, so this is before delete, this is after delete. We'll see what is happening. See, this registration number got deleted because it was there before. After this statement, this thing is not there. Okay, similarly, if you need to remove all items from a dictionary, what you will do? You will use clear method. Okay, so let me just comment out this. You can write student dot clear. Okay, execute it. See, before everything was there. Okay, for this line, this clear method removed everything. Now we don't have anything in the student dictionary. Okay, so you can clear or you can remove everything from a dictionary using this clear method. Okay, now let's see how we can find length of a dictionary. Okay, so we can use length function. Okay, so let me comment out this. You can write print length of the dictionary is len of stud. Okay, just execute it. See, length of the dictionary is 3 because 1, 2, 3 items are present there. Okay, next let's see one more important thing, how to create dictionary dynamically at runtime. This is one of the most important concept. We will use it when we will learn and build our frameworks. Let me create another dictionary and let me show you how you can do it. So first thing what we will do is we will create an empty dictionary. Let me just comment out these things. So it will not come here, and this also I will comment it out. Okay, so again we will create students as a dictionary, but this time we will create it as empty, nothing is there inside it. okay, and how we can add values inside it, right. So, we have only this curly bracket and no values inside it. So, what you will do? You can write students, okay, then let us say you want to enter name as a key. So, name, okay, is equal to whatever name you want to give, let us say Rohit, okay. Similarly, this is name is the key, Rohit is the value, okay. Similarly, one more thing, student, then you can say age, okay, let us say age is 20, okay. And now you just print students, okay. Let me run it. See, name is Rohit, age is 20. So, when you execute, you see the complete dictionary is printed. So, this is how you can build a dictionary from an empty dictionary by adding key value pairs. Anyway, we will discuss these things more in our framework lecture. So, what and all we learnt in this lecture? We learnt what is a dictionary. A Python dictionary is a data structure that stores the values in key value pairs. Keys are unique and cannot be changed. Value can be duplicated and updated. We create a dictionary by placing key value pairs inside curly brackets separated by commas. We saw how to access the value of a dictionary item by placing the key inside square brackets. We saw how to add an item to a dictionary by assigning a value to a new key. We saw how to change the value of a dictionary element by referring to its key. We also figured out how to find the length of a dictionary by using the length function. We saw how to use delete statement to remove an element from a dictionary. We also learned how to remove all items from a dictionary at once using clear method. We saw how to create dictionary dynamically at runtime. So, that's all for today. See you in the next lecture. Thank you.